Hello, welcome back to Learn This, Learn That. In today's episode, I'm going to teach you how to use the quadratic formula to solve simple quadratic equations. The example I'm going to use today is 2x squared plus 5x minus 3. In general, quadratic equations can be written in the form ax squared plus bx plus c, where a here represents the coefficient in front of the x squared, b represents the coefficient in front of the x term, and c represents our constant. In an exam situation, we might be asked to find the solutions to the following equation. 2x squared plus 5x minus 3 is equal to 0. In this case, we can apply our quadratic formula. X would be equal to negative b, positive negative, root b squared minus 4ac over 2a. Let's identify our a, b, and c from our equation. A would be equal to 2, b would be equal to 5, and c would be equal to negative 3. All we have to do now is plug in our numbers. Now that we've found our a, b, and c, we can plug it into our quadratic formula. As b is equal to 5, negative b is negative 5, positive negative root b squared, and 5 squared minus 4 times a is equal to 2, and c is equal to negative 3. Over 2a, so 2 times 2. Now let's simplify what we have here. Negative 5, positive negative, root 5 squared is equal to 25, and 4 times 2 times negative 3, 8 times negative 3 would be negative 24. So we have minus negative 24. Over 2 times 2 is equal to 4. So negative 5, positive negative, root 49 over 4 would be the simplified version. Let's go even further. Root 49 is equal to 7. Negative 5, positive negative, 7 over 4. At this point, you're probably wondering, what does the positive negative sign mean? What this means is, for this equation, we have two solutions. The first solution, we will use the positive sign. And for the second solution, we can use the negative sign. So let's do the first solution. Solution number 1. Negative 5 plus 7 over 4. That is equal to 2 over 4, which is equal to a half. For the second solution, it's negative 5 minus 7 over 4, which is negative 12 over 4, which is negative 3. And that is how you solve the equation.